and just go for it the second set as if nothing happened. Look at that, 19 or 15 kills versus Brazil's 9. So China really leading in that stat. And 0 blocks for Brazil, 0 points from blocks.
Yun lang talaga nakakabigla pag tinignan mo, no? It seems like very lackluster talaga yung performance ng Brazilians. And when we look at the stats, talagang hindi nagkakaiba. They go to the outside, is China. This time rejected.
Great read there by Karen Rodriguez, and that's a good way for Brazil to start off the second set. And look at all that. Marunong na nga mag-Portuguese itong mga Pilipino dito para mapansin ni Eric at ni Leila, who are of course very friendly to the crowd. Madalas din kakawayan nila yung mga nakikita nila mga fans sila with all of these posters.
Wow! And that's why she is the best server we have in the 2000 edition of the World Women's Volleyball Grand Prix.
Service ace for Erica Coimbra, and that's point number 2 for Brazil here in the second set. Muntik na makaisa pa.
Not against the libero of China, but still the Brazilians now on a roll.
Now they have a blocking stat. That's 1 point off of the block for Brazil. Pagkatapos natin punahin kanina, Anthony, ay nagpakita sila. Leila Barros and Karen Rodriguez joining forces there. 2 veterans from Team Brazil.
It took them 1 whole set to come up with their first recorded block. And here they're up on the offense. Leila Barros, this time she's rejected.
And again, bantay na bantay siya. That solid 2-man block this time by Yin Yin and Chen Jin in her face.
Basang-basa talaga yung mga plano nung Brazil.
And mukhang dinidibdib ni Leila yon. You can see her from our angle here. She's kind of staring them down and telling them, I'm going to get you next time.
And Raquel, she has been the only gem for the Brazilians so far. Siya lang talaga yung pumupuntos para sa koponan nila in the first set.
Up front, Raquel Silva has had a couple of good ones going cross-court and deep. But we have to credit Erica Coimbra with her serves. She started this off with 2 points for Brazil. And look at this, a floater this time from Karin.
The Brazilians will have another chance to extend their lead, and they do so. 5-1 na po, lamang ang Brazil.
Waleska showing her wares this time. As we see more of the crowd up at the bleachers. Si Waleska, nakita natin yan. Kayang-kaya niya yan against Russia in the preliminaries. And bad break for Karen Rodriguez going into the net on that serve.
She leaves the court right now. Pero lamang pa rin ang Brazil. They're showing much better poise here in the second set. Ito naman, first service error for the Chinese here in this match. We saw a lot of that yesterday. They practically handed 1 set to the Cubans as we hear cheers for Leila Barros.
Heiki outside set to Yin Yin. She slows it up. Nabasa ni Ricarda, oh.
From the back row.
Saved by Waleska. Raquel! Naku, napabayaan ang China. Maybe there's something about that side of the court, Anthony, because that is something that you probably will not see again from Team China. They don't do that. They don't watch a slow spike just fall on the floor.
Yin Yin is dug. Raquel once again. That's off the blockers.
Gandang habol ni Lian. Oh! Another chance for China to set up. The ball is there.
From the back row, that's off the blocks. And now, the shoe is on the other side.
That's right. Excellent play there. Alam mo, napakagaling talaga nito si Erica Coimbra Tumansya. What an athlete we saw there. She is a back row player. She knew that she had to get up behind the attack line. Ang layo ng ball. Abot pa rin niya and still converted. Scored the point there. Brazil 8 now, Anthony.
Yep, and only 2 for China as we take our first technical timeout. Really shown up for both Brazil and China.
Oh, yeah, Anthony, you could have said that better. Actually, that is what we're looking at here. And fortunately for the many Brazilian fans here, the intensity level over on the blue side, the Brazilian side, has gone up a couple of notches. Sparked by Erica Coimbra's 2 great serves in the second set.
And this time, Yin Yin comes out strong after that timeout to bring the Chinese to within 5.
And we have the team captain, or rather, no, this is Wu Dan 5'8" player there serving.
Yin once again, that may be off the blockers.
And that's what the Lions judge says. Natamaan nga ng huli. Check ball yon against Brazil. And that's point number 4 for China. As Hudan continues to serve.
They go down to Raquel, and that is off the blockers. Another point for Brazil.
Again, ang gandang habol na naman ang ginawa ni Fofao. That was not an excellent receive there. Medyo malapit sa net yung pasa sa kanya. She still managed to go wide to the unexpected hitter in this girl, Raquel Silva. And this one, she's got a wicked jump serve as well. Let's see if she can get it through.
She does. The Chinese come right back. Ito, Fofao, out to Erika. They'll set it up once again. Middle attack. The Chinese were still ready. Fofao. Looks set.
This time, to Valeska. Great play there. Fofao and Valeska, nagkakaintindihan silang dalawa. Nakita natin sila yung magkatabi. And both of them really playing heads-up volleyball because they have to think on their toes, think quickly, and they were able to convert on those plays.
And what they were not able to do in the first set, they're doing here in the second. China. Yin this time comes right back. 10-5 po ang ating score.
That was perfect execution there by the Chinese with Wu Yongmei dummying for Yin. Yun, pagka nagka-combination attack sila, hirap talaga basahin. And China's got a lot of those.
And they go to the back row.
Raquel Silva coming from all over the place. And she has been hitting them good. That's why Fofao has been going to her. Hinahanap siya ni Fofao.
Leila Barros now opting to play decoy. Valeska to serve. Sinagot. We'll see what Fofao has.
Ball still good. Sun Yue will try to make something out of this. That was a bad pass. Masama yung pag-akyat ng bola noon. So si Sun Yue had no choice but to go for the hit. Couldn't contain it.
And the Chinese, this time, they're on the ropes. Down by 7, 12-5. The Chinese player was there, pero alam mo talagang, you know, pag nakapatong ka talaga doon sa bola, there's really not too much you can do about that. That's gonna go over.
Bad reception there by China. Running play by Karen Rodriguez, sinagot sa likod.
This time, Erika. That is gonna fall in.
She had a good angle there. Nakita niya medyo malayo yung mga blockers. And that's what you do as a spiker. Tatansyahin mo yung posisyon ng blockers going up against you. Kaya ko bang harapin or should I lilihisin ko ba? At nakita ni Erika medyo off position. Linihis. And she's there waiting on that block. Sun Yue one more time going to the back. What a set.
Erika once again off the blockers. And Brazil in command of set number 2. They're up by 9.
That was Fofao.
14-5.
Fofao's play there. She's the commander-in-chief and she is an awesome setter. She came from all the way in the back. Ang ganda ng pag-akit niya ng bola kay Erika.
First set win by the Chinese. They're down by 9.
And this situation has just reversed here. This was exactly the complexion of set number 1, although it was the other way around. Nagtatambakan sila dito.
If I didn't know any better, Chiki, hindi ata even yung court.
Oo nga eh.
Medyo mas mataas ata yung portion dito sa may Brazilians ngayon.
Wag po kayo magpapaniwala sa mga sinasabi namin.
Erika once again